Hi guys, welcome to week 3. It begins on Monday, June 1st. This week we're going to look at using assessments to inform your instruction. We as teachers need to be careful observers. There is so much power in ongoing assessment in the classroom. It can inform and improve our instruction, and it will serve as a tool through which students can learn. For early childhood students, you're going to learn about the observation survey, which is one of our texts. By the end of the week, you're going to use observation to analyze a student's phonemic awareness and ability to decode. You're going to administer assessments to analyze a student's phonemic awareness and ability to decode. You're going to apply knowledge from observations and assessment tools in your instructional practice for reading and writing. And you're going to participate in group discussions in order to construct new knowledge. Reading assignment this week. Please be sure to read the pages in the observation survey that's referred to in the PowerPoint presentations, as well as this link below for concepts about print, and the observation should be survey. It says summary. These are optional links that you might want to check out. Literacy Connections is a great site for articles on assessment and instruction. These are videos about giving concepts of print assessment, or as they call it, CAPS. This is an overview of the assessments. In the observation survey, there is letter identification, word reading, concepts about print, writing vocabulary, hearing and recording sounds and words, and running records. Those are all in the observation survey. When you are administering these assessments, it is very important that you follow the script. There's no instruction. Make sure that you follow the script. Otherwise, your data is going to be skewed, and you're going to be wasting time instructing a child on something that they may already know, or they're not ready to learn yet. So it's going to be a waste of their time and your time. Here is the PowerPoint for the observation survey. Letter identification, there is a PowerPoint, and then there's a video. Start with the observation survey PowerPoint first. Then open each presentation and view each clip to learn how to administer the 5 assessments. You might want to take notes as you're watching these. If you have questions, please stop, send me an email so I can help you. I want you all to be able to understand these early literacy assessments very, very well. Here's a quick guide for administering the observation survey assessment. And again, please follow the scripting. You have discussion forums. You need to respond to at least 2 of your classmates for each forum. Okay, let's look at forum 2. If you have any questions, please ask me. Lab assignment for week 3. Okay, this week, by now, you have already worked with your student, you've gotten to know each other a little bit, you've started to establish that routine of your tutoring session. Hopefully, you have taken the data from the spelling inventory and incorporated that into your tutoring. If you haven't already, you may want to Google Words Their Way activities. There are many, many activities online from the actual text Words Their Way. That is a text that every teacher should have in their professional library. So if you do not have Words Their Way, I would highly suggest that you purchase it for your professional library. All right, for really, really young children, which I think you all have kindergarten and above that you're working with, but those really young students, you might give the phonemic awareness assessments suggested in our text on page 56. But here are some developmentally appropriate grade level assessments that you should use to guide your instruction. If you're working with a first grader, you should give them letter identification assessment, hearing and recording sounds and words, try out a running record. There is the San Diego Quick Assessment of Word Reading, which you can Google that and find it for free. And this is what it looks like. Tells you how to interpret the results. This is the teacher copy that you're looking at right now. And this is the student copy. If you have any questions about it, please ask. As you're working with your student, ask them to do some independent writing. And if they are having difficulty spelling the word, ask them to say it slowly and write what they hear. This will give you an idea of where they are with their writing. But if we continually give them the correct spelling, or we write it down and we let them copy it, that doesn't give us the information we need to instruct those children. If you're working with a second or third grader, you're going to give hearing and recording sounds and words, a running record, do the quick assessment of word reading, and again, you're collecting writing samples also. Fourth and fifth grade, do a running record, do the quick assessment of word reading, and collect writing samples. So your coursework for week 3 further addresses some of these assessments listed above. These are going to all be part of your final project. So you all need to administer these assessments by your grade level. Remember to keep your lab timesheet as well as any notes or observations, as this is part of your final project. Your lab sheet should accurately reflect your tutoring hours. And again, you need 10 hours of face-to-face time and 10 hours of prep and/or research. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you.